Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll tell you how to use your coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your device, and before we start I would like to mention that not all items on AliExpress support using your coins as a discount. So let me show you on visual example how it should look like. So I open this item, and if I scroll down a little bit, here I can see a line that says extra % off with coins. And yes, as I mentioned earlier, not all items support that. For example, like this item, if I scroll down here in this section, I do not see this line, and that means that for this item I unfortunately cannot apply my coins to get my discount. Okay, so let's go back to this item that does support this discount and proceed to checkout page. You can use your coins on AliExpress at the checkout page. You need to scroll down to summary section and find saved line. So tap here, and as you can see, I used my one coin to get my small discount. And if I tap here, I can select option do not use any coins this time, but I will use my coins because I want to get my discount basically. And as you have seen, I did absolutely nothing, and AliExpress automatically deducted specific amount of coins that I can use for this item to get my discount. And actually some sellers provide even more discounts. So this seller offers me 1% off with coins, but for example this item provides me extra 5% off with coins. So if I go to checkout, scroll down to section saved, right here you can see that I used my 15 coins on this order and I got my 15 cents discount off, which is really good result if you want to save some money on AliExpress. So you cannot manually enter amount of coins that you want to spend to get your discount. Instead, AliExpress decides on its own. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.